So this is the book list for UPSC, and these are the various sources which I follow them. And also I have taken the help from various other blogs followed by various IS officers, naming them a few like Mr. Ananya Mittal and Himanshu Kaushik sir, IS officer. So let's start. See, these are the main points to remember. That is, there are no fixed sources. Strategy can be different, and but keeping the main point is that sources should be limited. ये नहीं है कि पूरे कमरे को ही लाइब्रेरी बना दिया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Multiple revision is required, be it polity, be it economics, or anything. See, NCRTs, which are the basic building blocks, so they are mandatory. You have to study them, and there is no like shortcut. No need to read the bulky books and newspaper. You can read The Hindu, Indian Express, and which is actually a compulsion. So sources for prelims, and this is totally like which I follow them. It can be different from you, for you, sorry. So let's start. See, ancient history, that is NCRT की ancient India, that is class 6th and also class 11th. This is important. अगर class 6th की नहीं भी पढ़नी, but at least 11th की पढ़ लेना. एंड जैन सर के नोट्स वाजीराम, इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुली रिटन एंड एकदम मतलब बहुत टू द पॉइंट है, बहुत ही ल्यूसिड, बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में. नेक्स्ट इज़ आर्ट एंड कल्चर, दैट इज़ नितिन सिंघानिया बुक, एंड इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट इज़ लाइक करंट अफेयर्स विच कैन बी टेकन फ्रॉम लाइक विजन PT 365. एंड अगर बहुत ही टाइम है तो येस CCRT विच इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट, सो यू कैन फॉलो. नेक्स्ट इज़ मिडाइवल इंडिया, दैट इज़ NCRT 11th क्लास, या फिर नहीं पसंद है NCRT पढ़ना तो सतीश चंद्रा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज़ दैट मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री विच प्लेज अ वेरी डोमिनेंट रोल, एंड इसमें यू हैव टू स्टडी लाइक NCRT बिपिन चंद्रा, या फिर नहीं पढ़ना अगर बिपिन चंद्रा तो यू कैन सीधा स्विच ओवर टू स्पेक्ट्रम, दैट इज़ बाय राजीव अहीर. ठीक है. और इसमें कुछ कुछ लाइक चैप्टर्स हैं कि यू हैव टू लाइक स्टडी द समरी एंड द अपेंडिक्सेस, जो एंड में होता है कि अगर पूरा चैप्टर, जैसे हिस्ट्री में आई डोंट रिमेंबर लाइक मेनी फैक्ट्स, सिर्फ पेपर के दिन ही याद रहता है, तो ऐसे में क्या करना है कि सिर्फ जो समरी है या जो अपेंडिक्स है पेपर चैप्टर के एंड में, तो बस उसका लाइक गो थ्रू इट. फिर एक बुक आती है लाइक प्लास्टर टू पार्टीशन बाय शेखर बानोपाध्याय सर, and next is India's struggle for independence. See, these two books, that is Plaster to Partition and India's struggle for independence, it is basically for mains, but for prelims you have to study from Spectrum or NCRT, whichever the way you like. Next is polity. Polity में 4 NCRTs you have to study, because ये एक basically it will form your foundation for polity. And क्योंकि see, these are the standard books like these NCRTs, so you have to study the NCRTs for like modern India or polity, economics. You cannot skip them. And next is the for reference is Lakshmikant, and I also like solved objective papers from like इसमें नाम ही है ये objective Lakshmikant for practice. And you have to study the constitution. You don't have to rectify it, but you have to understand the language, basic language of the constitution, कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अगर कोई फंडामेंटल लाइक राइट दे रखा है, सो व्हाट इज़ द लैंग्वेज, वाई इज़ इट रिटन, सो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्स एन एनालिटिकल माइंड एंड योर विजडम. और आप देख ही रहे हो कि क्वेश्चंस कैसे आ रहे हैं. सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बुक, इट हैज़ टू बी रेड. एंड आई ऑल्सो रेड आर पार्लियामेंट बाय सुभाष कश्यप. And for like schemes and like current affairs, you can follow like PRS, and vision material आता है like government schemes पे. Also PIB can be followed. Moving on to economics. So see, many people don't have an economics background. So to build a base, you have to read the NCRTs like micro and macro दोनों. देन बजट स्पीच, ठीक है, सुननी है नहीं सुननी, इट्स अप टू यू, बट यू हैव टू लाइक हैव अ थरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि बजट में क्या क्या पूछा जाता है. सो फॉर दैट आइदर फॉलो विजन और GS कोर, विच एवर यू लाइक. एंड फॉर इकोनॉमिक सर्वे, आई नेवर रेड द होल इकोनॉमिक सर्वे बिकॉज आई डेंट हैव दैट मच ऑफ टाइम. आई ऑलवेज लाइक फॉलोड द इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का समरी जो आता है. You can like follow vision or GS core, whichever you like, it's your personal preference. Like in my previous attempt I read GS core, और उससे पहले I read vision. तो इट्स अप टू यू. एंड श्रीराम इकोनॉमिक्स हैंड आउट, इट इज़ परफेक्टली रिटन टू द पॉइंट. कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें नहीं है. जिसका लाइक इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड नहीं भी होगा तो उसको भी समझ आ जाएगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैड लाइक टाइम, सो आई रेड संजीव वर्मा ऑल्सो. इट इज़ अ येलो कलर्ड बुक. इसमें बेसिकली थोड़ा डेप्थ में दे रखा है, टू द पॉइंट भी है, तो सर्टन कॉन्सेप्ट्स यू विल गेट अ क्लैरिटी ऑफ. नेक्स्ट इज जोग्राफी. जोग्राफी में you can like start from NCRTs, that is class 8th, 10th and 11th 12th. It has to be read. If you don't have time, so you need not worry. Just read NCRTs like 11th and 12th class. You can skip NCRTs of class 10th and 8th in geography if you don't have time. But also GC Leong must be followed, and Atlas. Yes, for अब Atlas का क्या काम है इसमें कि जो भी like places आती है न्यूज़पेपर में, whatever places you are finding, so just see the atlas, see the location, like for example Mediterranean Sea. ठीक है, in 2019 or 18, so many questions, 2 questions were there from for indirectly in the prelims from Mediterranean Sea directly, कि कौन सी countries are surrounding. So you have to have a hold on that and in a proper aspect. Next is the environment. Environment में शंकर IAS book is important, and current affairs जो विजन अच्छे से follow करता है. I am not promoting anything. It is just the book list which I follow, and I find it very like to the point and very simple. So next is science and tech. Science and tech में generally current affairs are important, and if you have time, like this is 2020, and if you're appearing in 2022 or 23 and so on, so you have that much of time, so you can read like NCRTs from 6th to 10th class. Otherwise it can be skipped totally. Also India yearbook, that is either vision or GS core, whatever your personal preferences. So these are the other sources for UPSC mains. And isme like Hindi English, you have to like either solve previous year papers, that's it. And essay paper mein, yes, it plays a dominant role, vital role in deciding your marks. So you can follow like any coaching material, or the quotations, you can just Google it, like quotations from Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi. Just Google it and mug it up. And you can compile from Yojana summary also. Just read it, because Yojana हर किसी के पास time नहीं होता पढ़ने का. So you can read it, the summary from IS Baba or Vajiram and so on. Next is ethics. So इसमें ethics में I read lexicon. It is a boring book, but it is important. Few concepts are important. And ethics में the syllabus has to be mugged up, because like syllabus में क्या करना है कि syllabus में जो like terms लिखे हुए हैं, just mug it up and write the definition and relate it with any example or case studies. ठीक है. And इसमें lexicon is not complete because it doesn't cover the whole of the syllabus. So leftover parts can be read from Vajiram yellow book. And GS core material is like, it actually described few terms, so just mug it up. And ethics portion, yes, it can be covered from second ARC report in a very holistic manner. And if you have time, so you can read this novel, that is My Experiments with Truth. But like if you have time, okay. So next is world history. Only the NCRTs are important. And for mains perspective, that is this is very important for answer writing, that is Norman Loy and Arjun Dev. Next is society, which is important for sociology, optional, and yes, for mains. So Ram Ahuja book on Indian society, and rest from Vision current affairs, either from 365 or from for any other material, whichever you are following. Governance also, major amount like of content you can get from second ARC report. See, I always read the summary part, because itni moti books I cannot read because you don't have that much of time. So just rely on summary, because they cover a lot of things and which saves a lot of time. PRS and vision material. Or else you can do one thing also, which I actually do, that whichever like scheme is coming in the news or like important concept, so you can just write the important concept, suppose Antyodaya Yojana या फिर कोई भी जैसे आयुष्मान भारत, and just write like UPSC on Google, so you'll get all the links related to like UPSC only, and it will save a lot of time. Next is international relations, that is Vajiram सर के जो नोट्स है पवनीत सर, and current events also from GK Today or Vision, whichever you find it comfortable. And it is like one NCRT is important, that is Contemporary World Politics NCRT, that is class 11th, sorry, class 12th. So you can follow that. And moving on to the current affairs, which is very important. And इसमें first of all read the newspaper, that is either The Hindu or Indian Express. And if you're reading The Hindu, so just make sure that you're reading the explained section of Indian Express. And also you can read the Yojana or EPW, that is you can get the summary part also of from IS Baba or GS Core. PIB and PRS should not be skipped because ये प्योरली गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट्स है एंड इसमें से डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो फॉर मेंस परस्पेक्टिव विच इज़ एक्चुअली important, so you can read or listen the like YouTube channel से कि राज्यसभा बिग पिक्चर, just google it. and अगर इतना भी टाइम नहीं है आपके पास राज्यसभा देखने का, so just you can read the summaries from insights. तो उसमें से भी जो भी like content आएगा, so syllabus के accordingly जो match होगा, तो you can read that. Okay, you can read insights also on a daily, like जो current affairs उनका आता है. And also mains 365 can be followed. So this is the book list which I follow. Your can be totally different. And thanks a lot.